A bill to make abortion legal nationwide under federal law failed to pass in the Senate. While this was expected by Democrats, there was a reason to hold today's vote. Eyewitness News anchor Siafa Lewis joins us now from the newsroom to explain. Siafa, good evening.
Good evening, Yuki. The outcome of today's vote wasn't a surprise to anyone, least of all Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, who put the motion to proceed to debate up for the vote. But it allows Democrats to use the result to campaign on the issue of women's rights leading up to the midterm elections.
The motion is not agreed to.
That was the announcement confirming that the Senate had voted 51-49 not to debate the Women's Health Protection Act. Democrats needed 60 votes.
The vote we just took makes crystal clear the contrast between the parties as we approach the midterm elections.
Final passage of the bill would have rendered any Supreme Court rulings on the matter a moot point. Furthermore, it would have ensured that healthcare providers have the right to perform an abortion and women the right to seek one. Additionally, it would have set the limit to terminate a pregnancy at 24 weeks, nullifying any state laws whose limits are lower. Every single Republican in the Senate and self-described pro-life Democrat Joe Manchin of West Virginia voted against it.
It is not Roe v. Wade codification. It's an expansion. It wipes 500 state laws off the books. It expands abortion.
Democrats' radical bill is as extreme gets. It ignores modern science. It is tone deaf to public opinion. Nothing about their bill merely codifies the current case law on this issue.
President Biden issued a statement following the vote which reads in part, "We will continue to defend women's constitutional rights to make private reproductive choices as recognized in Roe v. Wade nearly half a century ago." Now, as you've likely heard before, in the event the Supreme Court does overturn Roe v. Wade this summer, the question of choice, women's rights or abortion would rest in the hands of state legislatures across the country. In the newsroom, Siafa Lewis, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Siafa, thank you for that.